Meaning of drinking.
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 Drinking. Drinking is the act of consuming a liquid, typically water or other beverages. It can have various effects on the body, depending on the type and amount of liquid consumed. Drinking sufficient amounts of water is essential for maintaining good health and proper bodily functions, such as digestion and circulation. However, excessive consumption of alcoholic beverages can lead to negative consequences, such as impaired judgment, liver damage, and addiction. Ultimately, the result of drinking depends on the individual's choice of beverage and their moderation in consuming it.